Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will be studying the first line of page number 10 of Al-Qaida Nuraniya along with the first 9 syllables to here. So this slide is just a reminder for those of you who will be relying on transliteration. The first line, we are going to just read it out without explanation. It's because it's going to be too advanced at this level. So, الدرس رابع رابع الدرس الرابع الدرس الرابع. الدرس means lesson and رابع means fourth. So this is fourth lesson of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. الحروف المتحركة متحركة الحروف المتحركة الحروف المتحركة. الحروف means letters, متحركة means movement, but here it means vowels. Okay, so this lesson is about letters with vowels. So we will be studying these short vowels. That's fatha, we use A for it, kasra, we use I for it, and dhamma, we use U for it. And these circles, they don't have any meaning here. It just means you replace any letter with these circles. So if you go if we go further in detail, al-harakat here, it means vowels. So this line, I put this line here just to indicate that the fatha always go on top of a letter. So this black sign doesn't mean anything in itself, but just to indicate that the fatha goes always on top of a letter, and kasra always go underneath the letter, and dhamma always go on top of the letter. Some of you might have learned it like zabar, Zair, Pesh. For example, if you have learned it through Urdu, Pashto, Farsi, etc. So if you have learned it that way, as long as you get the sound correct, there shouldn't be any problem with that. But if you learn the Arabic names of them, so it's good as well. So that's Zabar, Zair, Pesh, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma. Okay. So the first 3 syllables will be about Hamza. And before we go into that, we have to see the Hamza, is it a light or heavy letter? So if you notice, this is from previous lessons. So Hamza is a light letter, so we have to follow the rules of Hamza being light. Okay. So Hamza Fatha. Here, if you notice, Alif is only used as a chair. Hamza Fatha. So Fatha always go on top of a letter. Hamza Fatha A. So this is a sound. This is a transliteration. This is actually breaking down of this, and this is the transliteration, and this one is the sound. Hamza Fatha A. Hamza Fatha A. And here the kasra goes underneath. Here Alif is a chair for Hamza. Hamza, and this is kasra, underneath kasra. Hamza kasra, and this is a transliteration. Hamza kasra, and this is the sound. Hamza kasra E. Hamza kasra E. Here again, the third one. So Alif is a chair again. Hamza dhamma is on top of Hamza. Hamza dhamma, as transliteration. Hamza dhamma, that's the sound. U. Hamza dhamma U. Hamza dhamma U. A I U. A I U. So the next 3 syllables are about ha, and then we have to check ha, is it light or heavy. So the table is there, and we can see that it is light. So we have to follow the rules of the letter being a light. Okay, the first one is ha fatha, ha fatha ha, ha fatha ha, ha kasra hi, ha kasra hi, ها ضماه ها ضماه ها he, hu. Ha, he, hu. The next three syllables, they are about ayn. So we have to see ayn, is it light or heavy? We can see it is light. It is a light letter. So ayn, fatha goes on top of it. Ayn, fatha, a. Ayn, fatha, a. Ayn, kasra, i. Ayn, kasra, i. Ayn, dhamma, u. Ayn, dhamma, u. A, I, u. A, I, u. Okay, so next we will just only do the sounds only without any explanation or spelling. A, I, u. A, I, u. Ha, he, hu. Ha, he, hu. A, I, u. A, I, u. So that's the end of this session. In next session we will be practicing those syllables 10 times but without explanation, just to give you enough practice. We will see you in next session inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.